Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this video. A very warm welcome to another video of mine. Well, today I'm gonna talk about the Scorpio moon sign people and the Scorpio ascendant people. I'm gonna tell them how their month, January 2021 would be. At the starting of the month, Rahu will be in your 7th house, and Ketu and Venus will be in the house of Scorpio. That means it will be in your ascendant or over your moon sign. In the 2nd house, there will be Sun and Mercury forming a Budh Aditya Yoga, and in the 3rd house, there will be Jupiter and Saturn, and in the 6th house, aspecting the 12th house, will be Mars. So, what can you expect from the month of January 2021? Scorpio ascendant people, Scorpio moon sign people, I want to tell you all something. I want to tell you all that you have become very negative at this moment. Some events which happened in your life in the year 2020 has compelled you to go into the negative zone. You are in a vicious cycle of negativity. Well, I fully understand that life is a part negative, but you must now learn to handle the negative. Currently, you are living in the negative. You are dwelling on the negative. And this attitude towards life is not gonna lead you anywhere. You have to pull yourself out of that situation, that negative situation, that negative thinking. You must make a conscious, deliberate, and a determined effort to pull yourself out of that negativity. I'd suggest you all just start thinking about the positives. Do not dwell on the negative. Do not live in the negative. Just keep on thinking about the positive, and you will soon see that the negative has gone out of your life. So throw that negativity out of that window immediately. This negativity which you are dwelling on, which you are living on, is not only troubling you, it is troubling your near and dear ones. It is troubling every sphere of your life, and you know what I am talking about. So, if you want to make your year 2021 happy and joyful, you have to bring yourself out of that negative frame of mind. Well, Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people, this is your current position in your life. I would encourage you to become positive in the year 2021. Well, one more thing I want to tell you all before I start predicting about the month of January 2021 for y'all. I want to tell y'all that I make a very special amulet. I make a very special locket. I make a very special pendant for all you Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. Well, if you wear this amulet, then this particular amulet will give you the strength to move forward in life. It will give you the strength to overcome all the hurdles and obstacles in life. It will remove all those difficulties, worries, problems, predicaments, ordeals which you are facing in life. And if for some reason life has knocked you down, this amulet, this powerful amulet will give you the strength to get up once again and run towards your destiny. Well, if you want to see a lot of money in your life, a lot of richness in your life, a lot of success and prosperity in your life, then this is the amulet which you can wear. Well, this is a religious amulet. It is a godly amulet. This amulet can be worn by any person of any religion, because I personally believe that there is only one God. That God which I am talking about has made this universe, has invented this universe, and is currently protecting and loving the universe. It is the power of God which is helping this world to function. Well, the point which I want to make in front of you all is that this amulet, this locket which I'm talking about, can be worn by any person of any religion. So if you wish to see success in life, then you can wear this amulet. If you need this amulet, you can contact me. Well, now let me start predicting about the month of January 2021 for y'all. Well, for people who are in a job, let me tell you all, this month is gonna be a month of hard work. You will be given certain assignments by your company on which you will have to work very hard. Those assignments, those projects given to you by the company would require a lot of responsibility from your end. Let me tell you all, if you manage to complete these assignments, these projects, then a promotion in your job cannot be ruled out. Your bosses and superiors will be compelled to give you a promotion this year if you complete this particular assignment, this particular project. Well, I'd say that the projects, the assignments which you get this month will be a boon in disguise for you if you are able to complete them. Well, for business people, this is gonna be a great month as you will see a lot of money flowing into your company. You will see a lot of money in your business. You will see a lot of profits in your business. You will see a lot of customers coming to you this month. And with your intelligence, you will be able to make maximum profits from your customers. Do not try to start a new business this month, as it is not an ideal time for you to start a new business. I'd suggest you all that the money which you earn this month, you must save it for your future. Well, on the health front, I want to tell you all that this month is not gonna be a good month for you all. The work pressure in your business and job will not help you in alleviating your problems arising in your health. You will have too much work pressure which will aggravate your health problems. Try to unwind yourself intermittently. Do not continuously work hard this month, as this may take a toll on your health. The parts of your body which may be affected during this month is your pancreas, is your bones, is your liver and your stomach. So take very good care of these parts of your body, these organs of your body. Well, for people who are in love, I want to tell y'all that this month is gonna be a very good month for y'all. You and your love partner are going to have a very good time this month. This time is gonna be a time for pleasure, love and enjoyment for y'all. Your love partner will go out of their way to give you love, and you will feel this month that you haven't made a mistake by getting into a relationship with them. Your love partner will ensure that you stay comfortable in a relationship with them. Well, for students, this month is gonna be a great month for y'all as well. You will be able to grasp, understand, comprehend all those subjects which you were not able to understand, grasp, comprehend previously. The subjects which were very difficult for you to understand earlier, this month it is gonna be very easy for y'all. I mean, it is gonna be very easy for you to understand those subjects. Well, students, if you study hard in the month of January 2021, then I want to tell you all that the exams you will be appearing for in this year, you will pass those exams with flying colors. Well, for married people, this month is not gonna be a great month for y'all, as there will be too many ups and downs in your relationship with your spouse. Sometimes the relationship will be hot and sometimes it will be cold. It will be difficult for you to envisage what your spouse wants from you. Basically, it is going to be a time of utter confusion between you and your spouse. Your family life at this point in time is gonna get disturbed completely. Well, for people who are in the stock market, I wanna tell y'all that this month is gonna be a great month for y'all, as you will see a lot of profits in your investments. You will see that your money has multiplied since the time you have invested. But I'd suggest you all not to make any further investments this month. Rather, I would suggest you all to take profits off the table in the month of January 2021. Scorpio sign people, I want to tell you all, do not gamble this month, as there is a strong chance of you losing your hard earned money this month, and losses in gambling can be very huge for y'all. So I want to tell y'all that be careful if you are gambling this month. Well, for people who are in debt, I want to tell them that it is gonna be very difficult for y'all to pay your debts, loans and EMIs on time. You will not have the resources to pay that EMIs, that debts, that loan on time this month. If you get any sort of legal notice from your creditors, I'd suggest you all do not act on that notice in the month of January 2021. Well, these are my general predictions about Scorpio moon sign, Scorpio ascendant people. If you want specific predictions, you can contact me. Well, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves. Besides that, if you want to see a lot of money in your life, a lot of richness in your life, a lot of success and prosperity in your life, if you are looking for peace, tranquility and calmness in your life, which is very important for all the human beings, and you are hell-bent on taking your life from the ridiculous to the sublime, from the low point to the high point, from nothing to something, then you can contact me over WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. Have a great day and a great life ahead. God bless y'all. Jai Mata Di, Jai Ma Kali.